Travis here from Kelowna Chevrolet to show you this certified pre-owned 2021 Mazda Mazda3 GT. Powering this sedan is a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission capable of getting you only 6 to 9 liters per 100 kilometers on average. Looking in the trunk of the vehicle, you have lots of cargo space, as well as the release for your 60/40 split folding rear seats. Moving up to the interior of the vehicle, you have the Bose premium sound system, power adjustable mirrors and windows. On the dash is your forward and rear facing cameras, as well as your parking sensors, trunk release, and driver seat memory. On the steering wheel, you have your hands-free audio, adaptive cruise control, and paddle shifters. This vehicle is currently sitting at 62,526 kilometers. You have a large infotainment unit, which is Apple CarPlay and Android Auto ready. Dual zone automatic climate controls, heated steering wheel and front seats. You also have additional storage and your gear select, as well as your infotainment options. This vehicle has a premium leather black interior, and the driver's seat is power adjustable. For the back of the interior, you have a great view of the sun moonroof. You also have a pocket in the back of the front passenger seat. Again, these are 60/40 split folding rear seats with a flip down cup holder in the center. If you'd like to see this 2021 Mazda Mazda3 GT in person or take it for a test drive, come and see us at Kelowna Chevrolet, where car buying is easier than you think.